Hello, friends. Friends, knowledge and wisdom, there's a difference in it. Knowledge is just accumulation of data, accumulation of facts, or accumulation of informations. But wisdom is the right application of knowledge at the right time. And let's understand what's right time, which means that you are making use of your wisdom when the time comes. And when the time comes, you don't hesitate, you don't withdraw, you don't step back, you move forward. Wherever you are sitting in the world, in whichever part of the world, in whichever nook and corner of the world you're there, you apply your wisdom for that which is for the welfare of humanity. This is our real role. Our real role is to promote humanity. Our real role is to save humanity. What are you going to save otherwise, which you have been talking about? Other resources. You talk of crude oil, you talk of gases, you talk of minerals, you talk of nature. Who are you saving it for? Are they bothered about you, or you are bothered about them? Let's please understand the fact that we are all interested in saving the humanity, but that feeling is hidden in you. You keep talking of other things, but you don't focus on who you are saving it for. Are these things demanding anything from you, or we are in need of those things? You understand it deeply and you will get to know what I'm saying. I therefore say that everybody has a role to play in saving humanity. Everybody has a role to think about it clearly. Everybody should have that foresight and that vision that why are we here. ज़रा मोहब्बत से, ज़रा प्यार से, ज़रा इल्म से, दोस्ती का हाथ आगे बढ़ाते हुए, ये टाइम दोस्ती का है, ये समय मित्रता का है, ये समय ध्यान का है, ये समय मिलके आगे बढ़ने का है. And this is the time when one should be walking on the righteous path. Righteous path, why time and again? In every religion, everybody focused on the righteous path. 10 Commandments, Ashtalinga Yoga, or the righteous path of the Buddhism, or you're talking of Jainism, wherein they pay even attention to the environment, to the animals, and to non-violence. Why were they doing it so? They were doing it so because they knew that the time will come when there will be absolute need of promoting what is right. This is the time. ज़रा हंस के, ज़रा मुस्कुरा के, ज़रा ध्यान से उस बात पे ध्यान दें कि हम करना क्या चाहते हैं. अगर हम दोस्ती से मिलके चल नहीं सकते तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं? अगर हम प्रेम से मिल के आगे बढ़ नहीं सकते तो हम करते क्या हैं? After all, what is the use of accumulating anything in the world? Why should we accumulate anything? What for? Are you going to enjoy it? Without your family, without your friends, without humanity, are you going to enjoy it? Don't let the time come when you will say that I'm crying over the spilt milk. There's no point. The point is now, and it is here, कि आगे मोहब्बत से आगे बढ़िए, प्यार का इजहार करिए और कहिए कि शुक्रिया आपकी ज़रा नवाजी का. अल्लाह से कहिए आपकी शुक्रिया आपकी ज़रा नवाजी का. अल्लाह का नाम लीजिए, भगवान का नाम लीजिए, ईश्वर का नाम लीजिए, और जब वो आपको यूनिटी का मैसेज दें तो उसे प्रमोट करें. अल्लाह तेरो नाम, ईश्वर तेरे नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान. गाइए. अल्लाह तेरो नाम, ईश्वर तेरो नाम, अल्लाह तेरो नाम, ईश्वर तेरो नाम, सबको सन्मति मति दे भगवान, अल्लाह तेरो नाम। रास्ता सामने है, रास्ता प्रेम का है, रास्ता अपनी विद्या अपने ज्ञान के विस्तार का है, रास्ता ध्यान का है, रास्ता अपने आप को आनंदमयी रखने का है, और उसी रास्ते पे चल के इंसानियत बहुत खूबसूरत नज़र आती है। आप भी देखिए विद न्यू आइज़ व्हाट यू कैन सी। हमने देखा सुबह, बहुत सुंदर नज़ारा था। हमने खुद में खुद को उतारा था, और जब खुद में खुद को उतर के आप अपना नज़ारा देखेंगे तो आपको यूनिटी, इंटेग्रिटी, प्रॉस्पेरिटी एंड पीस सब कुछ नज़र आएगा। ओके, खुश रहिए, नॉलेज का विस्तार करिए और बुद्धि का इस्तेमाल ठीक टाइम पे करिए। दैट्स द ओनली डिफरेंस इन नॉलेज एंड विजडम, दैट विजडम is application of knowledge at the right time. Okay, thank you so much. God bless you. Stay tuned, happy, healthy all over the world, and we remain united. God bless you.